淡水scenery. 2. 1935. Oil on canvas. 72.5 by 91 centimeters. Private collection. At the foot of the hill, lifting his head to look up, one peculiar building with the 90-degree extension blocked Chenchunpo's line of sight. One foreign building with the row of arches along the veranda has an eye-catching expanse of white in the midst of the surrounding community of local buildings. At first sight, it appears there is something unexpected. However, upon closer examination, the red roof tiles and wall bricks of the houses really only exhibit strong local characteristics. The Western and Chinese buildings are well matched. The scene mixes the foreign and local. This painting seems to epitomize the history of this town, projecting the different cultures meeting and merging in Danshui. 1. White House. White House was completed at the end of the 19th century and was the house of Yan Jinghua, the premier student of George Leslie Mackay. He engaged at the time the most famous builder in Danshui, Hong Zaiquan, to oversee the construction. He built this peculiar building mixing Chinese and Western cultural elements. After World War II, White House changed hands many times, and finally in 1992 it was reconstructed. Today, one can still see the remains of part of the outer wall. 2. Kinoshita Segai's former residence. Japanese painter Kinoshita Segai started in 1918 to make paintings in various locations in Taiwan. Later, because he was infatuated by the scenery of Danshui, he rented long-term this small house with an unobscured line of sight and buried himself in his painting. Gradually, he obtained some accomplishment in painting. He participated in establishing the first painting exhibition in Taiwan. It became an important stage for later artists like Chenchunpo and others. 3. Hisashi. The hisashi, or kirioke, extending out from the eaves is a rather eye-catching feature of Kinoshita Segai's former residence. It is also represented in the works of many painters. The hisashi is commonly seen in Japanese buildings. This structure, besides being able to block wind, rain, and sunlight at the same time, can also create layered changes to the house's exterior appearance. 4. Bull's-eye window. In the humid climate of Danshui, regardless of local houses or foreign houses, the buildings often place a window at the top of the side gable in order to promote air circulation inside. The gable of the White House has a round bull's-eye window. The round window is seen in Japanese-era imitation Baroque buildings. Beside air circulation and ambient lighting, the angular edges on the wall has a decorative effect. 5. Door couplets. Door couplets are a cultural feature of Chinese society. It is the custom to put up writing on the entrance door to attract good fortune. It originated in pitchwood charms. These were charms made of pitchwood to counteract evil. In the time of Chenchunpo, although the Japanese government encouraged abolishing the Lunar New Year, it still acquiesced to a few local cultural traditions, of which the door couplets in the painting are an example. 6. Outside the frame of the painting. In the time of Chenchunpo's youth, he in the company of his painter friends would go to various places to travel and to paint. The painting below, Midsummer Danshui, by Yang Sanlang, was selected in 1935 for the Taiwan Art Exhibition. The features in the scene in the painting are similar to Chen Chunpo's work. The two artists probably arranged to paint at the same place and complete their own individual works.